Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Indiana, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Indiana, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can find 20% commission kickback link and code. Yes, this is our website, cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this website, we can find all information about cryptocurrency. How to buy cryptocurrency. How to buy Bitcoin with credit card or your debit card. Where to buy Bitcoin. Videos and articles about coins. Now, firstly, we can click this button, list of top cryptocurrency. So easy. In this page, we can find best cryptocurrencies and informations. Stellar, Monero, Tron, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. And articles. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Firstly, we can click Info button. In this page, we can get all information about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin with easiest way? Just one click. Let's go.